Since 1979, Summers & Wyatt was one of the original 3 firms throughout the state of Tennessee that handled mesothelioma, asbestos, and lung cancer cases. Jimmy Rogers, for the past 17 years, has been working with me in these cases, and we have successfully represented hundreds of clients in these unfortunate areas. We do not advertise on television, but we have much more experience and success than the vast majority of firms that choose to advertise in this area. At Summers & Wyatt, when we have an asbestos-related disease, we try to determine to what products a worker has been exposed, or if there's second-hand exposure by a member of a family from that worker's clothing. We try to obtain for them the best medical treatment they can from a lung specialist. And thirdly, we either file suit and pursue litigation or attempt to try to negotiate with the various trusts that have been set up to obtain benefits like workers' compensation.
Have you been diagnosed with mesothelioma or lung cancer due to asbestos exposure? Then you may be entitled to significant compensation. Asbestos trusts have been established and billions of dollars have been paid to people with lung cancer or mesothelioma caused by asbestos. To see if you qualify, call attorney Matthew Schaefer right now for a free phone consultation. 1-800-871-7397. Calls are answered 24 hours a day. Speak to mesothelioma attorney Matthew Schaefer right now to see what your case may be worth. For over 25 years, Matthew Schaefer has fought for injured workers, and he can help you too. If you have lung cancer or have been diagnosed with mesothelioma, call attorney Matthew Schaefer right now. 1-800-871-7397.
As a client of LPK, I was taken care of when I called and talked with him the next day. Attorney had flown from New York down to Nashville. Started off from there. They kept in close contact with me and told me what they were doing and when they were doing it and how they were doing it, with a list of people that manufactured products that I had used and been accustomed to. LPK personnel has all been wonderful. The ladies that work in the office, very polite when you talk with them. The attorneys at LPK, John Guyton and Most Martin, were very good and helpful when it come to the case and in court. We had people make us offers and settlements, and I'm glad I followed my lawyer's advice because they knew what they were talking about and what they were against. And as a layman, I knew nothing about what cases were valued at. And they did an excellent job in getting me the most that they could without having to go to trial, even after the jury was selected. And for anybody that stops and has to think about it, don't think. You think long, you think wrong. Call LPK, because if you put it off, it makes their job a whole lot harder. But you need the assistance going through things.